Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the content and have YouTube Studio access. Once done, open Studio and go straight to the copyright section. Make sure your channel is verified. If you qualify, enable the copyright match tool or apply for Content ID. These services are the only built-in ways YouTube offers to automatically find uploads. Keep your original file and metadata handy, because you will use that exact reference to scan the platform for matches. Once your reference is submitted, watch the match queue for new results. Matches appear with timecodes and similarity percentages, so focus on high similarity hits first. Make sure to compare the match segment against your original, examine metadata, upload dates, channel reputation, and view counts to decide next steps. If you use Content ID, you can set policies, monetize, track, or block. If you only have copyright match, prepare to contact creators or escalate through YouTube if needed. You finish by selecting an action for each confirmed match. Block the video, claim monetization, or message the uploader. Make sure to include concise proof when you contact them. If the uploader refuses, escalate with a DMCA takedown through YouTube, providing your original file and timestamps. Troubleshooting tip: if matches are missing, confirm your reference matches the platform copy exactly. Minor edits or format changes can hide matches. Resubmit a clear, unedited.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.